guys, so we're going to start off priming our face. I'm using NYX Angel Veil. Now this is a very drying primer, but it does leave your makeup looking flawless, so that's why I like it. So if you have dry skin, you might not want to go for this type of primer, but for me I have a combination, so I'm going to be working with this plus a baking oil, which you'll be seeing in a second. Some makeup artists don't feel like primer is important, but to me I feel like that is how you get a good foundation base, is to minimize your pores. So you want to make sure you rub it in. Now this is the baking oil that I was talking about by Makeup Revolution. So I'm going to drip a few dots on my face and just massage it in everywhere. This is going to prevent my powder from being cakey. My eyes are super swollen. So I went ahead and did my brows off camera. I'm letting my skin prep just sit in. Now I'm going in with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. This will be my first time using it, so let's see what it's about. I went ahead and got a color a little bit darker than my complexion, since I did see in a few people reviews that it does oxidize, and as you can see, it did oxidize. And I'm not even done putting it all over my face, and you can already tell how much of a different color it is. But it's okay because I'm gonna go in. But it's okay because I'm gonna go in on my highlights. Now I'm going in with my Age Rewind concealer, and I'm just packing it right under. I know this is a lot of concealer, but this is a full glam event makeup look, so we want to make sure our makeup is sweat proof. It sticks and stay on all day. So I'm just going in. I'm just going to go in and blend. I'm using a beauty wedge. I found that it gives me the best coverage. Want to make sure you set without creasing. Pounce and blend, pounce and blend. I'm going to go in with my Black Radiance banana powder from Black Radiance. And I'm just going to set all the places that I highlighted first and then go behind that step and just set my full face with it. And this is kind of the trick to making your makeup sweat proof, is doing a really good set. So what we're doing, we're setting our concealer, and we're also going to set our foundation. Now this is the scary part, but you have to trust the process. Ever since I tried this banana powder from Black Radiance, I've just been addicted. No matter how much you apply, it still wipes off like butter. So soft. Now I'm just going a little bit heavier under the eyes so I can start on my eyeshadow. Stone Fox will be the first color I'm working with. We're just going to blend it in. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm trying to record as much as I can with the eyes, but it was very hard, being that I am recording off my phone. We're going to go back in and mix Stone Fox and Rock out. They kind of look like the same color, but they're not. And we're going to just blend it. Number one key to eyeshadow is to blend. I'm going in with a darker color. I believe this is Chocolate Diamond. And I'm going back in with my Estee Lauder eyeshadow. And I took these two really dark brown black eyeshadows, and I'm just going in the corner of my crease, and I'm just slowly building it up. I do have hooded eyes, so this is the type of eye look that wears best for my eye shape. So once you see the finished eye look, you're gonna see how me doing this by focusing the deep colors on the inner corner where my bag overlaps my eyelid, it gives it more of a lifted effect. Now I'm going in with the brown, and I'm just gonna blend. Now this is a clean blending brush that I'm just blending the eyeshadows with. We're going to make sure everything is seamless. I'm going back in with them two dark browns and burgundy. And I'm going to deepen the crease a little bit more. So many of my clips was lost due to my phone going dead, me deleting clips for more space. So I apologize if I skipped a few clips. You want to keep blending. Now I'm going in with my NYX Born to Glow eyeshadow palette, and I'm going in with this white and beige color matte, just to put in the tear duct area of my eyelid and bring it to the middle. And this eye look really suits a hooded eye. Now I'm going to put my lashes on off camera since I struggle with these things. Now this is just a lash box full of lashes. Okay, so I applied my lashes. Now I'm going in with my bronzer. And I'm just going to bronze my skin and follow up with the contour. Now you see my face look very pale, but just remember, I still have on my translucent powder. I'm so sorry, my banana powder on my face. So I'm going over the banana powder and I'm sculpting my face. And after I sculpt my face, that's when I will take a powder the same color as my complexion and just merge everything together and wipe off all the excess powder. So as you can see right now, I'm just chiseling up my cheekbones, and I have a very slim face, so I choose to not take my contour so deep in so I won't look like a skeleton. And what you do on one side, you shall do to the other. It looks kind of muddy, but we're going to go in and clean it up with the same banana powder that we're setting with. So sorry, you guys. So I'm just going in and I'm just blending. Now this blush that I'm applying to my cheek, I don't know the name of it. I actually forgot where I purchased this from, but it's some cheap blush that I probably grabbed at a beauty supply or something. But I'm just going to apply it, spray my face with rose water, stick everything to it, and I'm still going to go over my face with the powder that's my skin complexion. As you can see, setting your face in the midst of applying your layers help everything melt together. I'm going in with this really affordable highlighter from the beauty supply in the color Sand, and it is so beautiful. It adds such a beautiful sheen to the skin. I did not like these bright pink lips, so I went over that with my Lorac Pro matte lipstick. I don't know what color it is, but I will put it in the description bar below. I'm going in with a eyeshadow to line my lips, since that's what works for me, and I like it now. This is more my style. So I'm going to go in and I'm just going to re-mattify under my eyes. I'm going in with my Master Chrome highlighter, and I'm just going to add more to my cheekbones. You don't have to add this much highlight, but because I love the glow, I go in. And you just blend. And for the final step, I'm just going to go in and just blend everything all together. My hair is so sweated out, but it's okay. I took my Urban Decay All Nighter spray, sprayed my face.
With me